everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Africa series, we will illustrate and talk about the descendant from an ancient African civilization and famous as traders and rich deposits of gold. It's Nubians from Egypt. So keep an eye till the end of the video to see this fascinating painting and listen to the stories behind Nubians from Egypt. Friends, we have seen so many aspects of Africa, from tribes to tribal life, village life, street murals, Egyptian murals, colors, patterns. Imagination Gallery tried to bestow all relevant details of every aspect of Africa. And today, in our 38th part of the series, we are going to explore the descendants of an ancient African civilization as old as Egypt itself, who battled the Romans and ruled Egypt as pharaohs and constructed vast fields of pyramids. They are the Nubians, and they are not a lost civilization. It's Nubians from Nubia, Africa. Using acrylics on paper, I have tried to, create the best possible representation of this whimsical imagery. Well, I am frenzied to start this with you all. Let's begin. Make it not like this. Make it drop. Friends, Nubians are an ethno-linguistic group of people who are indigenous to the region which is now present-day northern Sudan and southern Egypt. They originate from the early inhabitants of the central Nile Valley, believed to be one of the earliest cradles of civilization. They speak Nubian language, part of the northern eastern Sudanic languages. Early Neolithic settlements have been found in the central Nubian region dating back to 7000 BC, with Wadi Halfa believed to be the oldest settlement in the central Nile Valley, parts of Nubia, particularly Lower Nubia, where at times a part of ancient pharaonic Egypt and other times a rival state representing parts of Morawi or the Kingdom of Kush. By the 25th dynasty, which is between 744 BC to 656 BC, all of Egypt was united with Nubia, extending down to what is now Khartoum. So as warriors also, the ancient Nubians were very famous for their skills and precision with the bow and arrow. Today, Nubians, as I said, they are not the lost civilization like others. Today, Nubians in Egypt primarily live in southern Egypt, especially in Kom Ombo and Nasr al-Nuba north of Aswan, and large cities such as Cairo, while Sudanese Nubians live in northern Sudan, particularly in the region between city of Wadi Halfa on the Egypt, Sudan border and Al-Dabaa. Nubians have developed a common identity which has been celebrated in poetry, novels, music and storytelling also. Now, if I talk about the modern Nubian architecture in Sudan is very distinctive and typically features a large courtyard surrounded by high walls, a large ornately decorated gate, preferably facing the Nile, dominates the property. brightly colored stucco is often decorated with the symbol connected with the family inside, or popular motifs such as geometrical patterns, palm trees, or the evil eye of the wards away bad luck. So kind of very good architecture skills over there. Now you know Nubians invented the Nubian wall, a type of carved surface forming a vaulted structure. Thanks to recent massive archaeological surveys, we now have a much clearer picture of Nubian civilization. What they ate, how they dressed, how they cared for their dead, their military triumphs and defeats, where the cities were built, what they looked like. Of course, they underwent dramatic changes over the time, and these are noted where appropriate. Though often confused with the Ethiopians of Greek lore, little doubt remains that Nubians were in fact black African people, and their civilization has been claimed by many as a proof of a sophisticated and ancient black African society. Nubian life is very full of zeal. Nubia is full of dazzling monuments such as old pyramids in Egypt named Hebno Pyramid. Amid fabulous nature and surrounded by Nile and mountains, Nubia offers a special kind of enjoyment to all its visitors. Nubian life is very unique. Live in unique houses by Nile, wear unique clothes, and speak a language no one else speaks worldwide. Now friends, Nubian community is very impressive, surrounded by lots of colors, music, simplicity, joy all the time. And these people's tradition cannot be separated from Egypt's. Nubians are peaceful people who don't like the capital's noise, rapid rhythm or technology. Their homes are primitive, not very high, sometimes high, a maximum of 2 floors, and built of mud bricks. From the first step into the Nubian village, one feels comfortable and cheerful. The houses are decorated with beautiful simple colors that are comfortable for the eyes. Nubians enjoy a simple life and depend mainly on agriculture and tourism. Nubian houses are built of, as I said, mud bricks, as the material is not affected by the heat. There must be domes over each house to distribute the sun's heat and ensure heat waves are not vertical. The people of Nubia are keen to draw the Nile, boats and palm trees on their houses, a reminiscence of an old Nubian village before the construction of an Aswan high dam, where houses were built on the banks of Nile, and in front of each house there was a group of palm trees. So friends, now can you relate my picture with these Nubian lives, whatever the description I'm saying? I am sure you can image with this, you can relate with this. The village comprises many famous places like the villa of famous Egyptian singer Mohammed Monout, known as the King, the famous Cataract Hotel. The Nubian village, there are many things to enjoy such as view of the Nile, bright houses, camel rides, shops, henna tattoos. Villagers always invite visitors for tea, food and even weddings. It is worth mentioning that Spaniards and Italians like henna tattoos the most. The natural herbs of henna are mixed with oils and then filtered with a piece of cloth to become easy to use. One of the most beautiful experiences is having lunch at Nubian restaurant, which one can enjoy a wide variety of Arabic and Egyptian dishes that are delicious and rich in taste of Nubian spices. Now see, and very old civilization which is as old as Egypt, and there how beautifully they have evolved, and they have related themselves, changed themselves into modern days. So amazing this is. And at the end of the day, a beautiful sunset is waiting to reflect grandeur, magic and beauty. It is a landscape that inspires many people, especially writers and poets. Finally, the Nubian village is more than just a beautiful place. It's a vivid depiction of a country's culture, civilization and beauty. Well, as I say, there is so much to discover in Africa, right? We will know the lesser known facts about Africa, and we will do that for you only. I know you all are with us. Let this be one family. Let's color the life with Imagination Gallery. So I hope you enjoyed and liked today's exploration of the ancient Nubians from Egypt. Convey your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session here in the comment box. And if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different illustrations and paintings and stories behind them, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here is wishing you a starling weekend. Stay safe and take care of yourself, my friends. Bye-bye.